Good morning, my dear students. So, this is our first class after the Christmas vacation. Hope you are doing very well. So, my dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed about the basics of fractions and we have discussed about different types of fractions, equal fractions, improper fractions, proper fractions, mixed fractions, and what like fractions and unlike fractions. And also finally in the last class, finally we have discussed about the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions, what do you mean by equivalent fractions? So equivalent fractions are the fractions we obtained by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and denominator by a number by the same number of a given fraction. Okay, if we have a fraction, example 2 by 3. Okay, it is a fraction 2 by 3. So if we multiply the given fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. So if I multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, then I have the answer 2 by 2 twos are 4 and 3 twos are 6, isn't it? And also again I can multiply this 2 by 3 and also this 3 by 3. Again I can multiply the numerator and denominator of this fraction by the same number. I am taking here 3. 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So I can write this kind of so many fractions by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. So this is called equivalent fraction. And also if I get a number, if I get a fraction, 2 fours are 8, 4 threes are 12. So I have a fraction here 8 by 12, isn't it? 8 by 12. Here numerator is 8 and denominator is 12. Okay, from the small fraction I multiply and I get large fraction. And also from this large fraction, if I divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, if I divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, I get the small fractions. They are equal, isn't it? So this is called equivalent fractions, which means we are multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a given fraction. Then we can get the fractions which is equal to the given fraction. They are called equivalent fractions. I think you get it. Let's do an example problem. So here I have one more example, that is 3 by 4. So here already says that they are equivalent to, here numerator is not given, here I have the number 8, denominator is 8, and also which is equal to numerator is 15. Numerator is 15. So what could be the denominator? So these fractions are equivalent fractions. So we need to find the numerator here, and also here we need to find the denominator. So let's just think. So 3 by 4. It becomes dash by 8. The denominator is 8. So just think, which number is multiplied by 4 to get 8? Which number? 4 twos are 8, isn't it? So that is 2 is multiplied. So we need to multiply the numerator by the same number, that is 2. 3 twos are 6. Okay, I get the answer. So now moving to the next, 50. So the numerator is 3. And here numerator is 15. So just think, which number is multiplied by 3 and we get 15? 5. 5 threes are 15. So here 5 threes are 15, and now we need to multiply that 5 with this 4. The 5 fours are 20. So this is the way to find the equivalent fractions. Okay, this is the way to find the equivalent fractions of a given fraction. Okay students, now again here we have a large number, 25 divided by 50. So 25 divided by 50, 5 divided by, there is no what, denominator. 2. There is no numerator. So it is very simple. In this section, in the first section, we are multiplied the numerator and denominator. So in this section, we need to divide the numerator and the denominator. Just look at here. 25 become 5. Which means that which number is used to divide 25 to get 5. Which number here we used to divide 25 to get 5. It is very simple. 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we need to divide by 5 with the denominator. So 50 divided by 5. 50 divided by 5. We divide. So we need to divide that 50 by 5. We get the answer 10. Again 50 become what? 2. 50 becomes 2. So which number here we used to divide? 50 becomes 2. So here we are divide 50 by 25. 50 by 25, the answer becomes 2. So we need to divide 25, numerator 25 divided by 25. So answer is 1. അതായത് ഇവിടെ 50നെ നമ്മൾ 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ എത്ര കിട്ടിയത്? 2 കിട്ടിയത് അല്ലേ? 50നെ നമ്മൾ 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ എത്ര കിട്ടിയത്? 2 കിട്ടിയത്. സോ 25നെ നമ്മൾ 25 കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ 50നെ 25 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തെങ്കിൽ സോ വി നീഡ് ടു ഡിവൈഡ് ദിസ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഓൾസോ ബൈ 25. ഹിയർ വി ഗെറ്റ് ദ ആൻസർ 1/2. This is the equivalent fractions. Okay, so this also we have discussed in our previous class. So in the exercise, there is a last section that we will discuss in the Zoom class. Okay, now the next topic, that is comparing fractions. Comparing fractions, that is the next topic, that is comparing fractions. Okay,